So obviously we normally try to hit the ball correctly in the right spot with the right technique. Well, maybe we can just think about the sound the ball makes when you strike it, because that's slightly abstract, isn't it? And rather than trying to hit it perfectly, we want to simply notice the sound the ball makes as you hit it. And you'll know from those great shots that you do on occasion that it has a certain sound, that shot that you know is going in the right, well, exactly where you wanted to. I was going to say in the goal, but in the hole. Probably not going to get a hole in one, but the idea of hitting a ball cleanly, it has a certain resonance, and that's what to pay attention to. We want to think about the sound the ball makes, but we don't want to be end gaining the sound. Oh, I must make that perfect sound again. That's going to get in your way. But certainly pay more attention to the sound will help you understand what's a good swing, what's a bad, unhelpful swing, or not. Well, yeah, we can probably say a bad swing because it's a bit more tangible in golf. So that's the experiment. When you're hitting the ball, pay more attention to the sound of the ball. And in time, I think that you will, maybe not subconsciously, but your system will recognize and acknowledge and like and enjoy that great sound when it goes crack and you've hit that great shot. Because it's a bit like beginner's luck. You know, you throw that piece of paper into the bin and it goes in the bin, you go, yes. Now actually that celebrator is going to be a distraction from your awareness because your ego gets involved. But you know, it's like when I used to play football, you kick the ball and you just know it's going into the goal. You just know. You didn't do anything. We're going to pay more attention to the sound of the ball. And in time, as we get to notice that sound and appreciate those moments when it's a great sound, which means it's a great shot, we've got more emphasis placed on the sound, not trying to achieve that perfect shot. And the perfect shot will come by noticing the sounds, I think. That's the plan. That's the experiment.